So, hello. Once again, I'm back on my not so old and not so new Lenovo Legion Pro 5 or Legion Pro 5 AMD edition with NVIDIA discrete graphics 3070 mobile, or else Max-Q I think it's called. This system is running PikaOS 4 GNOME 49.2 on Wayland, and I'm trying to stream today on YouTube live stream service and record locally. Hopefully everything will go well. I've done a bit of extra customization today, so I'm getting step by step on the end result, on the end goal that I have on accomplishing with PikaOS 4 on GNOME. Anyway, here are the information of the system, the detailed information for you to see easily. So PikaOS 4, GNOME 49.2, Wayland, and of course the AMD Ryzen 7 blah 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 and NVIDIA GeForce blah blah blah. The system also has 16 GB of RAM and about a terabyte of internal SSD storage. And yeah, so as you can see, for those who know, this is not the normal GNOME experience. I've customized it quite a lot using extensions, themes, etc. In time I will show you all the details, and even did some work to bring closer to the end result with Kdenlive, for example. System performs quite well. Here is my Vivaldi browser. It's my personal favorite for the past about month or so. And for example, here is the files manager, and this is my terminal. Sorry, let me fix it like this. And then I also have let me open up my settings and GNOME Tweaks, and why not text editor as well. Okay, and also I've been using for example, when I will move this window up here, I get this tiling service that I have customized to my liking. I think it's quite nice. Of course, expose-like or mission control for the newer macOS users. And yeah, no problem. The system, it's like no problem at all. Streaming, recording, loading apps, and I will keep on going for you to see. I will give it more work to do, and still you will see no problem whatsoever. I mean, if you have a similar configured system about I don't know, 4, 5, 6 years ago, it's quite nice experience, I must say. So here once again, expose, boom, expose, boom, no problem whatsoever. Hopefully the stream and recording have no issues, and yeah, I will be able to edit the video and upload it after the stream will be done. And of course now we'll quickly hide as many apps as possible, as you saw, like almost in an instant. Keep always in mind that the system has 165 Hz display. I will show you, this one, and I'm running on native resolution of 2560 1600, and perhaps now you can understand why the stream maybe seem a bit squashed on your end or on my YouTube channel or the stream, because the native screen resolution is 1610. I'm streaming on 69, but yeah. And the refresh rate, I wanted to say that is 165, and the stream must be 25 or 30, something like that. So if you see some not so smooth motion, it's how I stream and record, and not how the system feels. The system in reality is way much smoother and snappier from what you see on the stream, trust me. And the same thing, I guess, it's the camera work and everything. But yeah, anyway, as I said, great progress so far. I think I have shown you through the terminal the system information, but I think I can show you more from here, like this: PikaOS, Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, AMD Ryzen, and the system also has its own GPU integrated, but I'm not using it. And system details, here you can see all the system details, Wayland and Nvidia and so on. But yeah, and I can do that. I can open up some projects for you to see, but I don't think it matters. Let me show you quickly, somewhat quickly. Let me find it with expose. For example, I'm using these flat packs. Not too many, but not nothing either. It's like I have installed few flat packs, and I can load these as well, a few of them. These apps are some of my favorites basically, and so as you can see, even the Flatpaks have my own theme. So yeah, I think I have made quite a nice customization so far, but still there are steps to be done. I'm not sure if I will be able to solve them, but Kdenlive still bothers me, gives me troubles, for example. But yeah, it's like the situation on GNOME and Wayland. They're kinda restricting us way too much, in my opinion, but I'm not a security expert, so what do I know? Maybe they are doing the correct thing for us. But yeah, it bothers me that I can't fully customize the system as I like it to be. And in all of the operating systems I see such fragments, like some tearing inside the walls, so to speak, some strange reading between the lines, so to speak. More or less most operating systems have a few cracks here and there, theming wise. Not most of their apps or all of their apps are the same appearance wise, and sometimes it's quite jarring when you're staring on the computer screen for too many hours to getting used on a specific look of an app or two apps or five apps, and then open up that extra app and just be like just taking a ray of light inside your eyes. And that's why I warned you, for example, the other day that you will see some white light. And speaking of white light, one other app that it's okay, it's this one, right? And usually I do this test, so why not? Yeah, of course this system will be no problem. I mean, like, if the older systems can work like this, snappy and all that, of course this system will work the same too. But I like it that it's respecting more or less my theme, and that's nice to see from the apps. But I wish more apps, more developers would really take good care for us, and of course the GNOME developers as well. Anyway, hopefully everything went well, the stream, the recording, everything, and I don't want to say any more on this matter. I've shown you quite a few apps and stuff today relating to streaming and recording on the YouTube live. And one last thing, I will show you the options for the OBS settings. I'm not cheating. Once again, I'm using the software X264, both for video encoding on the stream and video encoding on the recording. So the quality, it is what it is at the moment, but the best thing for me is if something works, it works. I don't care about the quality so much. And I'm thinking, like, I don't know if I will do it tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow. I think most probably I will stream tomorrow on Kick service using the software encoder as well. And maybe the day after tomorrow I will try to stream on 4K or maybe on native resolution if possible, using the hardware encoder of the system. And we will see how that will go. And maybe I will load up a game as well to try that. Apps on this system, it's like nothing. It's like I haven't used anything. So maybe streaming and recording on the native resolution, or maybe 4K resolution, and playing and streaming and recording and all that, maybe actually it will break the system. I don't want to break it, but you know what I mean. Anyway, this was it. Really, I'm done. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.